Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol Ped, and welcome to the Martini Drivers Club at Festival of Speed 2018. Now, about 10 to 15 minutes ago, I had one of those unbelievable phone calls from Alfa Romeo. And Alfa Romeo basically said, there's a batch starting in 15 minutes. The driver that's due to drive the car can't drive the car. We need you to drive our historic Alfa Romeo up the hill. So I basically run over, I've got signed on as a driver. My next stop is basically to head out of the Drivers Club and find my car, find my helmet, find my race suit, and drive a car up the Goodwood Hill. I'm feeling this is going to be a really good day. So guys, this is Christina, who gave me that fantastic phone call very recently. So luckily, the guy who was due to be driving this car doesn't have a racing license, and I do. So I love cars. We are going to fulfill a dream to get to drive a car up the Goodwood Hillclimb. This is going to be wicked. It's a wee bit big, but I really don't care.
36, yes please, and I need your name as well.
Greaves, Peter Greaves.
Can we get a few instructions?
Yeah, absolutely.
So basically, make sure the door's closed.
Yeah.
It doesn't auto close. Sit in, then we'll go through the controls with you.
Wow. Wow. Very close. I'll reverse.
Diciamo della pompa.
This is the pump.
Yeah.
Okay.
Always leave it out.
Out.
This is the taco batteria.
That's the battery.
Yeah.
Okay. That should always be in that position,
Yeah.
Unless you have a...
This is the sample car is very good for driving, e spiegagli solo che questa qui nelle curve si corica un po'.
It's quite a lot of movement in the corners,
Yeah.
so it's not rigid.
Yeah.
So just be aware that it will dip in the corners.
Yeah.
But just allow that. You'll feel it as you go down, but
Yeah,
obviously at speed it's a bit different.
Yeah.
Just take it gently.
I'm
It's
not
not
Yeah. Someone said there's only two in the world.
No, it's the only one.
This is the only one.
Yeah.
So I'm driving a car that is literally the only car in the world.
Yeah.
And it's priceless.
It is.
Un dettaglio
We're
in
not
più.
accepting offers.
No.
È un dettaglio in più, ma la macchina.
Non è. It moves a bit further forward.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, good.
Good. Wow. Wow. What an opportunity this is. This doesn't happen every day to get to drive a literally priceless, unique, beautiful car. Ciao bella. Wow.
One car in the world.
Really? You could have told me that after I'd driven it.
Sarebbe stato meglio dopo. Dirlo dopo perché la responsabilità è enorme.
Wow. Can I interrupt and get some advice, please? Because I'm just about to drive up the Goodwood Hill for the very first time in a...
Well, yesterday was Friday the 13th, so at least,
Well, it wasn't
you've
yesterday,
missed that.
yeah. But I'm driving that beautiful Alfa over there that is literally the only one in the world. Any advice apart from don't crash it?
Keep it looking like that.
Yeah.
However you think, so when you're going to show off in front of the crowd,
Yeah.
forget all that.
Yeah, no donuts.
As soon as you see that little right kink,
Yeah.
be slowing down ready for Molecombe corner, because that's where everybody crashes.
Yeah.
So however slow you think you need to go into Molecombe, slow down a bit more.
Okay.
That's the only.
Excellent.
That's where people go off, because they get
I know.
all excited.
I've been coming here so long, and I've been up the hill in a passenger ride.
Yeah.
But I got a call 20 minutes ago. Can you get to the assembly area and drive one of our cars?
Have you got a wristband?
I'm all signed on. Yeah.
Cool.
And that's why the slightly out of.
The thing is, as Martin says, everyone crashes at the straw bales because that looks soft, whereas everyone's very cautious past the flint wall. I don't think anyone's ever hit the flint wall in 25 years or whatever.
Yeah.
Well, I've got tips from the masters. So
what I always tell my son is, you'll impress nobody, but you'll be remembered forever.
Yeah.
You smash a valuable car up here.
Yeah. Well, what are you driving, by the way?
I'm driving a very valuable car.
Yeah, I think we all are.
Yes.
I think you might win the valuable car contest, though. Possibly, yeah. Brilliant, thank you guys.
All right.
Let's meet you. Cheers.
That's why I might.
So I am about to fulfil a dream to drive up the Goodwood Hill. Has always been a dream of mine, but to do it in a car like this is, I'm still pinching myself, to be honest. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. It is the only one in the world. It is priceless. It's parked next to Nick Mason's 250 GTO, which is just insane. And I think this is going to be really good. And I have to say, I'm quite nervous, but these guys are giving me a good briefing.
È bellissimo,
Yeah, bellissimo.
è bellissimo.
I need to be more Italian.
Numero uno. Ce n'è una sola,
That'll be good.
È facilissimo.
Yeah.
Si guida come guidare una donna.
Okay. Oh, like a woman. Yeah. Okay.
Perfetto.
But I am driving up the hill for the very first time. It's good, isn't it? Any tips? I'm driving an Alfa Romeo Sport Spider up the hill for the very first time. Any tips?
Okay.
It's priceless. There's only one in the world.
Oh, lovely. Look after it. So, Molecombe, the first one you have to watch.
Yeah.
Brake early enough and then take a chance.
Which one are you driving?
The silver one there.
Is that Fangio's car?
It was.
Yeah. Wow. And I'll see you tonight at the ball.
See you later. See you up and top of the hill.
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. I'll come and see you.
I will ask you about your harrowing experience.
Yeah, I'm going to go get in my car. So I am now in the car, helmet on, and it's all becoming very, very real. I just can't believe it's about to happen. So it's a standard 5-speed box. Apparently the car's really easy to drive, but it's just so historic. It's got so much history. It's the only of its type in the world. They only made 4 of these anyway, but they only did one Spider version that was made for motorsport, so it is literally unique. And they've given me the keys. So the format, we obviously drive to the start, assemble at the start, and then we drive up the hill, go to the top of the hill. I'm going to try and capture some footage on my smartphone because I can't take a camera with me, but hopefully I'll bring you some good content. This is about to happen, guys. Bring it on. That was the most insane thing I've ever done in my whole life. Oh, I just wanted to film it, but it's just so special. I've got these priceless £1 million cars in front of me. Oh my goodness me. Wow. I'm actually crying. Right, I'm going to get out the car and have a quick walk up and down. So this is my car. I've just got the guys basically setting the GoPros, which is really cool. And then just a quick rundown. The car in front of me is quite frankly stunning and beautiful, and what a ridiculous lineup. But this is Fangio's car. Fangio's car being driven by Mr. Jochen Mass. I think you win the nicest car competition. Very beautiful.
Did you ask me something? I can't hear a word because of...
I'll see you at the top. But yeah, that is Jochen Mass driving Fangio's Mille Miglia car. Oh my God. And then obviously up front, you can just see there, Nick Mason's 250 GTO, worth probably a cool 50 million quid. And here's my baby. This is the car I'm driving. I can't believe this is happening to me. Well, my pit crew have arrived.
Yeah.
How are you, boys?
Hi.
Hi. Say hello to YouTube. These guys are going to look after me. It's so lovely to drive. C'est bella. Drive it.
Sì,
Oh, gearbox, really good.
Yes,
really
it's
easy.
Fantastic car. It's
Yeah.
fantastic car.
Yeah. Beautiful.
For
And the exhaust.
sì.
Very cool. Very cool.
In the morning.
Questa va anche.
Yeah.
Sì, sì.
Yeah.
Yes.
I won't know.
Sì.
Do some.
But, 220, This
220 brake? Really? Oh, 220
kilometer.
really?
220.
Wow.
220 kilometer per hour.
Okay.
Hour.
That's how fast I have to drive that fast. Maybe not.
Maybe no. Yes.
Yeah. And Fangio's car.
Yeah.
Oh.
This car,
Yeah.
658.
Yeah. Mille Miglia.
Yeah.
Fangio.
But this car driving Mr. Jochen Mass.
Yes. I've said
Yes,
hello to him. He's one of my favorites. He said hello.
Pilot
Yeah.
is.
Yeah. This is about to get real. About to get very real. Here we go.
Alfa Romeo,
Welcome guys to the top paddock at Festival of Speed. I made it. That was the most sensational thing I've ever done in a car. I'm gonna be big smiles, big smiles. look at the company I'm keeping. Just astonishing. Anyway, that was something else. Absolutely something else. It's gone in a heartbeat. It doesn't take very long to get to the top, and you're there before you know it, and it's really, really very special. So I wonder whether I can kind of do might go over here, and you can see all the crowds and stuff over there. Yeah, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Now, where's all the drivers? Oh, he's over there. I'll go and find Jochen Mass.
You made it.
I made it.
Oh, good.
What an experience. You guys do this all the time, but that was something else. I didn't catch you up though.
You did not. I thought I had something coming up from behind, and it was a whoosh on the one end, but it wasn't you.
No, it wasn't me. Definitely not.
It was a spook.
It's been an absolute honour to meet you.
Oh,
and yeah, what a.
Safe drive down again.
Yeah. Well, yes.
No, it's lovely.
Yeah. And I'll see you this evening.
Sure.
Tracy says hi. Safely parked in the garage, but I am massively emotional right now. So let me jump out of the car, get my thoughts together, and then we'll pull this video to a close. Wow. So that is it. I am safely back, parked the beautiful little sports spider in the garage. That was quite something, driving back down the hill, waving at everyone again. I couldn't get any footage. And then driving up through the paddocks was manic. There was so many people taking pictures, and it was amazing. But yeah, I had Nick Mason literally behind me in his 250 GTO, and I had to do a hill start, and it was really close. It's probably the most high-pressured hill start I've ever done. But what an experience that was. I cannot thank the guys at Alfa Romeo enough for the invite to drive that car today. It's just been a fulfillment of an absolute dream. I hope you enjoyed coming along for the ride. I'm going to remember that day for the rest of my life. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you have done so, give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol for plenty more content to come. Whether or not it can be that special, I doubt, but I'll see you guys on the next video. You take care. Drive safe.